The bitwise operators is used to perform bit-level operations on the operands. The operators are first converted to bit level and then calculation is performed on the operands. First, bitwise AND takes two numbers as operands and does AND on every bit of two numbers. The result of AND is 1 only if both bits are 1. Bitwise OR takes two numbers as operands and does OR on every bit of two numbers. The result of OR is 1 if any of the two bits is 1. Bitwise XOR or XOR takes two numbers as operands and does XOR on every bit of two numbers. The result of XOR is 1 if the two bits are different. Bitwise NOT takes one number and inverts all bits of it. Left shift takes two numbers, left shifts the bits of the first operand. The second operand decides the number of places to shift. And finally, right shift takes two numbers, right shifts the bits of the first operand. The second operand decides the number of places to shift. Let's see the truth table for bitwise AND, OR, XOR and NOT. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.